Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, we are going to look at how to work with drop-down list in Excel. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I have already created this list. As you can see, I have these three categories, and under each categories we have these items, right? So the agenda of this video is to create a drop down list, okay, which will reflect these three items: grocery, home appliances and fashion. And whenever I'll be selecting grocery, it will be fetching all the items under grocery, right? It will be giving all these list of items with the drop down menu. Okay, all right, let's see how to work with that. So first of all, we are going to select these items, go to this cell and name it as grocery. All right, now we'll do the same and we'll highlight this. Okay, and I have already named it as home appliances, and select these cells and I have named it as fashion. Okay, this part is done. Now come over here in this cell, go to data tab. Now click on data validation, select list, then over here in the source input, select all these three category, okay, these three cells. Now hit OK. Now we have all these three items here. However, in this cell it is not giving me any items, right? Let's see how to work with this. Okay, so under data tab, click data validation. Now list. Okay, click on this source. Indirect. Now I'm going to type it, because if I click here it will give me this dollar sign. We do not want this dollar sign, so I'm going to manually type it F5. I think it is F4. All right, let's see if it works or not. All right, so I have all these items from home appliances. As you can see, under home appliances I have all these items which is listed over here, and let me make it grocery and let's make it fashion. All right, we'll do the same. Under grocery we have all the items from grocery, as you can see, and under fashion I have all these items from fashion, right? So this is how we work with drop down list in Excel. So I hope you have found this video useful. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel for more such educational content. All right, see you in the next video. Till then, take care.